have recorded a video like this. Let me play this and you see. Choice. And then you just need to type. Listening to this, the audio was this is the video, but the voice is not really clear. The audio there is not really good. So how can you do? Does it mean that you have to start a new video again to go about it? No. You can just decide to do what? You remove the audio. The thing is to select it. As you've seen, it is selected. You see this square box there is highlighted. You go here, go to the top right. You're going to see where it is written audio. Click on that audio. When you click on the audio, you come to where it is volume. You just drag from where it is, just bring it to 0. When you bring it to 0, when you play this now, listen to it if you get any voice. You can see automatically I've just removed the audio. The audio is gone. I've removed the voice over the video. The voice is gone. The audio is gone. Export it, and then so that when you export it, what will happen? If you export it, means that now the video is no more existing there. So if I click on export, once you know everything is done, you've done all the editing and stuff, you've removed the voice, the audio, you just need to click on export. And when you're exporting it, you just need to give a name. So let's say I'm just going to give the name as no audio. Let's say no audio. That is the name I've given to this, as no audio. So, and then specify the location on where you want to save it. Let's say I want to save it. Let me see. Let's say I want to save it where? Okay, I'm just going to save it here. Select the folder I want to save it. That's it. The next thing I need to do, I'll leave everything by default. I don't need to change anything. I just need to click on export. So automatically it's going to export this particular audio for a video for us. So now that it is complete, let's open it now and see. This is the video. I'm opening it. That I gave the name no audio. This is it here, no audio that we gave the name. You see, it's plain, but there's no voice. You can see there is no voice because we've removed the audio. So this is how you can remove the voice or the audio that is playing in your video. Hope this is clear. So please make sure to subscribe and look forward to the next video, because the next video now is how to record a voice over a video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, please click on the thumbs up because it's going to boost the algorithm. And don't forget to share with others. And don't forget to leave a comment.